It's loud, huh? Ain't that cool? You want to touch it?
Wow. I need to get it. Can I get in?
I don't know. Yeah. Do you like it? Do you want to touch it? Wow. No, don't open it. Yeah, to see the handle. Look, you see all the stuff inside?
Hi, how are you?
Look, it's a police car.
I know, I see the police car.
Hi, how are you guys?
Just one at a time. Zelza, wait. One at a time. You can get in the back part. Thank you.
You think you could drive this?
Can I try, please?
No.
Good job.
I like it, Zelza.
Yeah.
Driving with a purpose. I like it.
You see inside?
Much fun today. We ended the garbage truck. Zozo, huh? Are you ready to? Yeah, I'm ready.
Nice. They went to the car wash.
Yeah.
Those are the car wash. Yeah, let her get a turn. Let her get a turn. Come out. Like it? You want to pull the string? Pull the string. I know. So I haven't picked up this camera all day, but I was seeing her cooking. I was like, let me pick up the camera and get some footage. But anyways, I'm making some fried fish and shrimp. And only reason why I'm making fried fish and shrimp is because we're going on a detox on Sunday. So I was like, might as well have some fried something, because we're going on it for 14 days. Did y'all see that fried fish? Look how crispy that looks. Look. You know how people do that scratch test? I don't know how they do it. But yeah, it's definitely delicious and nutritious. I'm trying to wait for Shawn to get home. But he should be pulling up in a moment. Okay, so yeah. I'm over here busting a grub. I got me a good old faithful, just regular fish sandwich. Just falls apart because I cut it in half. But
eat it.
Shawn's on his way home. And yeah, we're just gonna kick it. It's Friday. Our detox starts Sunday. We got today and tomorrow.
It's appetite.
Yeah, but y'all tablets is dead. Regular fish sandwich on regular bread. Nothing fancy. But you see how thick this is? Look. Y'all, I'm done. Y'all, I'm done. It was so good. So good. Did you have some fried shrimp?
Yes.
How was it?
Good.
But yeah, everything was so delicious and nutritious. And definitely better to make it at home than to buy it, because it was so delicious. I got to have it how I wanted. I got the nice portion that I wanted, and I'm full. Like,
what?
I'm full. We got classic stuff from a yard sale. Look at y'all. Look what we got. We got
Wizard Eyes.
Oh, I forgot that.
Yeah,
Wizard
Eyes. Excuse me.
That's the original.
Toy Story. Original Toy Story.
It's still in plastic, y'all. Like, it's still in plastic.
Tom and Huck.
I don't know.
Fox
Did
and
I
Hound.
ever see Tom and Huck?
I did. I seen this in both times.
Okay.
And then Pinocchio. Now you don't see him? Now you do. You don't? Now you do.
Alright, so we're gonna continue our day. And we also got a puzzle for Ace, because Ace is into puzzles. But yeah. And we're gonna continue our date day. So we are about to go play some golf. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. What you think?
I'm sure. I'm ready. I haven't hit in a long time. It's probably been like a few months.
Well, I ain't hitting nothing, because only thing I'm familiar with is putt-putt. And this is not putt-putt at all. So we gonna see. Sorry if it's a little shaky, y'all. I don't got my my tripod. Okay. Babe.
You.
good time on the range. First time actually doing the range because, you know, I do putt-putt. But anyways, we had a good time. A good time. Now we're off to get something to eat because now I'm hungry. And we are still detoxing, so starving. Like starving. This place is about teriyaki madness. And they deliver. Oh, thank you. Thank you, young sir.
What are you talking to?
Oh.
I could call a stranger and go to the guy. You walk down the street.
What? You walking down the street? Or walking margaritas? I ain't even know.
What a man is. I know what his name.
Carry me home or marry me now. I promise you everything. Get that piece from him. Bible scriptures on your left eye. Verses you don't really live by.
You just in.
Oh, you just is. Yes, it is. What
Here's
is
the
it?
face.
Boop, 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 boop. Whose face is that? Chase?
Yes.
We love doing puzzles. You like doing puzzles with me?
Yeah.
Don't you touch it, mister. He'll see the stand and he'll just want to touch it. I like doing around the edges. I don't know if y'all like going around the edges first and then working your way in the middle. You try to force that piece in there. That don't go there, dude. Well, yeah, I'm out too. It's a different kind of love.
How about this?
We're gonna do this puzzle, y'all. Doing a detox. This holistic engineer by what's his name? Dr.Bobby Price. And it's a 14-day detox and you gotta eat plant-based the whole time. So I think our main struggle with this is it's disgusting. Like it's super bitter. But it's 32 ounces. We've been breaking it down into these jars and like filling it up halfway, drinking it. I guess to trick our brain, but not really. If that makes sense, but yeah, I'm about to cook, figure out something because I'm not doing like a raw plant diet. I'm just doing like a vegan based diet because, yeah, I just can't. But these are just hot dogs from earlier. So yeah, I'm about to try to get dinner together. One of those things that you gotta get all the water out. Like you have to get all the water out. So what I'm doing is just put my cast iron plate on there, just to smash down the tofu to get majority of the water out. Because tofu is one of them things that it soaks up pretty much whatever flavor you put in there, if you cook it right. So yeah, it shouldn't be bad. I'm just gonna try to press some of this water out. I'm gonna give it like 30 minutes. You can probably already can tell. Already see how big it is right now. We'll give it 30 minutes to try to smash out some of the water. It's tofu, so I'm not expecting much out of it because it's freaking tofu. But we're going to take this off. I got a little bit of rice in here. I'm about to throw the tofu on top with some sriracha, and then I'm gonna eat it with some tortilla chips. I don't have no salsa. I need to go shopping, so a lot of stuff that I probably would have put in here, like if it was like ground turkey or something, I can't because I don't have it. And I also have tortillas up there too, so I can switch it up, but I think I want the chips. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna put it in here. I need to drink the last little bit of this. Oh. Oh. See how this is. It's not bad. I just know it's tofu.
You're doing all good.
You like it?
Yeah, because it got chips and sriracha. You gave me leftovers, man.
Yes, you said you were hungry. That's the patience. You have to wait. If you would have waited. And I know you didn't eat since this morning. No, Ezra.
I didn't eat this one.
You ate a waffle.
Oh, yeah, there.
We bought this waffle mix that's like vegan. That's pretty good. Like, you don't really taste like a major difference. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my food, y'all. And I'll talk to y'all later. When I tell y'all, we got, what, 8 more days of this detox, and it's getting real. Like, the flushing of our gut is so real. so real. But it's worth it. And this, I gotta get this last jar down. I got one more jar. One more jar. Don't you hit me. But I got one more jar to get down. Right? Yeah, Ezra looks a hot mess, but he been acting crazy. Y'all see his black eye? You want to show him your black eye? Show him your black eye. It's healing now, but he got a black eye. He was moving the chair, and then the chair fell. I told you not to do that. No. And the chair fell back on him. This guy. Stop it. No. And the chair fell back on him. So he had a cut right there, and it is black. Our wild child. Yeah, let me get finished, or I should say get started with dinner. And yeah, let's do it. You ready to do it? Say yes. Say bye-bye. Say don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what I came up with. Tofu, rice, beans, like a bowl, like Chipotle. You can see Shawn's better because it's like mixed in, but yeah, he almost done with it. But yeah, y'all, we're trying to eat this plant-based, a vegan, vegetarian. I say vegan because vegetarians sometimes eat eggs. We trying, and I'm about to enjoy my delicious meal. This looks so good.